So I went to Savers, and it was really crowded. A lot of people around, so I really didn't take many photos. But here's just a look at some of the things I did see. I have to say the prices are really high now. Take a look at that Dragonfly price. And here's the wall of necklaces and bracelets. So let's see what I found. First up, I found these beautiful vintage SWANK THERMOSET cufflinks. I thought they were really nice. I've never seen anything like that. Here's a semi-precious stone necklace with some wooden round beads. Really a very sweet necklace. This one is a red lacquer jewelry box made in Japan, and unfortunately, the music box is missing the knob underneath, and it plays Love Story. This is a glass and acrylic bead necklace with the rhinestone rondelles. Very nice. This one here is a black glass, very long bead necklace, and if you notice right there, there is one blue bead. This is a Avon piece. I love that chain. It's a pendant, silver tone, and I found that on the wall. Here's a really adorable jewelry case. Unfortunately, there's no key, but it is really in great condition. It has the handle and a shelf inside. This is a glass bead toggle necklace. You can't tell by this photo, but the glass is blue and it kind of looks like confetti glass. Very sweet. Here's another black glass bead necklace. This one has a, that glass on top. Very nice. This is another music box, and that's a frame that you can put a picture in and it plays. That's what friends are for. This is a really long Napier gold tone necklace, and I found it in the back of those wall racks. This is a very pretty leather wrap bracelet by Victoria Emerson, and it's filled with black glass rhinestones. This one's a very nice link chain necklace. Very long. It has a fold-over clasp. There's some weight to this one, but I really liked it. Here's another music box, and this actually plays Amazing Grace. Very beautiful wood design. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little thrift haul. I had fun, except it was just too crowded. So I'll bring these things to my next sale. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell to be alerted for new videos. Thank you, everyone.